I love to overdo things.
Just trying to sound
And
like
I'm in Texas.
Oh goodness.
And look at, those are stairs. And those stairs pretty much go nowhere. Because there's something blocking the way. Can you see that? Okay, hope you guys are watching. Look at the window. There's a window.
Oh goodness.
Hey, take a look at this. You can't see anything. No, it's okay. We'll probably go bowling or something. We're gonna go bowling. Well, they'll be sorry they took me.
Probably.
Did you tell me, Jen, why it took so long?
They probably gotta get all their stuff.
That's right. They got to do probably a complete unload.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Matt's
Now-
like the most patient person like in the world, so
You're right.
he
Okay.
doesn't really rush the girls or anything ever that I've ever seen.
So can we just like, should we breathe deeply?
I guess. I was gonna go out there, but you want the whole effect.
It's okay. You can go out there. Why don't you go first and then I'll go last?
Hi.
See if we can take a look.
Yeah. So great to see y'all. Bet you didn't expect to have a little custom back paint and then get a big party. I know. I love it. Wow.
Hey.
Right with the
Hey.
camera. Yep. That was quick.
Hi guys.
Doesn't-
Who are you
doesn't waste any
guys?
time.
This was Grammy's request. So.
All right.
Oh, please.
Nice.
Hey, sis.
Hey.
See you. How you
I
doing?
like your
Good.
backpacks.
Yeah.
You're
It's a little
welcome.
sore, but it's getting better. Yeah.
All right, bud.
Nice.
Love
How are
you.
you?
Good.
Good to see
Nice.
you.
Good to see you. It's hard to believe it's been a while.
It's been a definite while.
Yeah, December, whatever that was.
Was it December?
Well, it wasn't December. We didn't really see. Well, we sort of did. I was in a hospital bed. But.
Pretty dress.
Thanks.
Hey, you guys look so
You
good.
too, Esther.
You
how
look
was
so.
how was the drive?
Long.
I told him that's not a long road trip.
Can you guys say hi to Grammy really
They're
quick?
lovely.
Hi, Grammy.
Okay, good, because she'll be happy about that.
Good.
All right.
Because she was
so we've got
responsible
two dogs
for
outside.
something. Okay, let's stop
Well,
that.
the girls need to hit the restroom.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Esther, there's one right there.
Yeah.
You can go use, kiddo.
Yeah.
Go right.
There's Matt talking about the point of the game.
That makes sense. That's just the rule of the game. That's all. It's more slippery up here too. Well, I was taking it with one hand. I would spread your legs out. Roll it as hard as you can. There you go.
It's going.
That's your first ball ever. Oh!
Yeah, almost a strike.
Do it one more time. And then that's it. Well, watch. Come up here. There's a path that comes right up here. See this? There's a belt that pulls them up. We never ever put our hands anywhere close to that. Like, or as the ball's rolling here, I'm talking to you. As the ball's rolling here, I'm talking to you. You know what I mean? Next time, try and roll it forward, okay? You're doing good, Esther. Let's go! Yeah, you got some. Good.
That's good. Oh! can't believe that came off.
Yeah, what would you change besides that spin to it? Yeah, spin.
Hey, Pro Bowlers.
Just hit
Hey.
straight on, so it's like
Hey.
narrow window to get a strike.
Oh, look how many you got. How many did you have on that?